How y'all doing today? This is Mike's Meal. Today we're gonna be cleaning a chicken. You're gonna have your chef's knife, bone knife. First thing you're gonna do is cut right here. A little bit of the breast. And you wanna twist it around until you see that joint. See the joint? Should be right. You do the same thing on this side. A diagonal. You can get that full thigh. Pop this joint, both sides. Take the thigh. So do that on both sides. Get up a drumstick and a thigh. Just find this little piece right here. You're gonna take your chef's knife, cut right down. Take the thigh, cut a little bit of skin off there. Thigh, good amount of meat. Do the same thing on this side. Find that flat line, go straight down. Joint, flip it over, straight to the middle. Follow the fat, the thigh, put that in there, drumstick, put that in there. What you're gonna flip over to the breast. It's gonna be a little bone right here, breastbone. Take your boning knife. Slice slowly right here. Just start cutting to the side. Once you get to that bone, start cutting in a diagonal. More breast. I'm going to do the same on this side. Be careful. This side is a little harder. Let's grab onto. Okay, other breast.